we have learned to find out reciprocal. That means you have to just reverse that reciprocal, reverse that fraction. Numerator will, if this is a number, it will come down to its denominator and this will go up to its numerator position. So these and this are reciprocal to each other. Okay. Now what will be the reciprocal of 0? 0, you can write it as 0 by 3 or any whole number or any integer you can say. Now when you reverse it, okay, so 3 will come to its numerator and 0 will come to its denominator. But you know that something divided by 0 is not defined. It's not defined. So 0 has undefined reciprocal, or in general we say 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Okay. Now if I say what will be the reciprocal of 1, 1, it can be written as 1 by 1. When you reverse it, it will remain 1 by 1 only. So reciprocal of 1 will be 1 only. Okay. Now minus 1, same way the reciprocal of minus 1 will be minus 1 only. So if I ask you, tell me a number which is reciprocal and the number are equal. So your answer will be either 1 or minus 1. Write a number which is equal to its reciprocal. So 1 and minus 1 will be your answer. Okay. Then in short what we can say, to find reciprocal of a number, you just inverse or swap the numerator and denominator. Now why do we discuss this reciprocal? When you consider division of fraction, we actually need reciprocal of the divisor. We need reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, that's why we are discussing this reciprocal. Okay, now we have discussed how we can divide a fraction by a whole number. Okay, next our topic is how do we divide a whole number by a fraction. Divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay, say take any whole number, say 7. Divide it 1 by 3. So this is its dividend and this is its divisor. Okay, only you have to remember, in case of division is nothing but multiply with its reciprocal of this divisor. So how can I write? This is 7 into, I need reciprocal of this divisor, that will be 3 by 1, because the denominator will come up to its numerator and this will go down to its denominator. So it will be 3 by 1, just swap. Okay, so it's just a multiply reciprocal of divisor to the dividend. So it is 7 into 3 by 1, it is 21. It can be anything, say 25 divided by 1 by 30. Okay, so dividend will remain the same. Next, multiply with its reciprocal of its the divisor. So reciprocal of 1 by 30 will be 30 by 1. Okay, so it will be 30 by 1. So 25 into 30 by 1, it will be 750 by 1, it is 750. Now next is divide a fraction by a fraction. That means in both the case, it will divisor and dividend both will be a fraction. Say 2 by 7 should be divided by 3 by 8. Dividend will remain the same. So you will write 2 by 7. Next this become multiply and reciprocal of this divisor. So just inverse or reverse this denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So it will be 8 by 3. Next is just a simple multiplication, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That is 2 into 8, 7 into 3, it is 16 by 21. Okay, if anything, if divisor or dividend are mixed fraction or both of them are mixed fraction, you have to just convert them into an improper fraction and follow the same. Thank you.